So when I ordered my new laboratory chair slash desk chair slash computer chair slash gaming chair, what I wanted to do is, since the room that I'm in right now is slanted, your standard plastic wheels, doesn't have any kind of a dampening in it. So, like I said earlier in an earlier video, that once you start rolling, you keep going. There's really nothing to stop you, because now that I'm on a new floor here, and with glass chair mats, it's easier to glide now. So. When I bought the chair at Amazon, every once in a while they give you them package deals. So when you buy something, you can pick and choose if you want to order additional items with the order. So that's what I did. And one of the items that were on the list was these lifelong wheels. And this is a set of 5. And it's they call it an office upgrade, and it's scratch-free, silent, smooth gliding, and click in and out, and universal size. So what these are is a very different kind of office chair wheel that will do a better job of protecting your floors. And they're on ball bearings, and the ball bearings are apparently to be pretty full of grease. So at first it gives you a little bit for me, it'll give me a little bit of a dampening. So here's what the wheel looks like. It looks like your standard wheel. It pivots on the top, and then it's got like a rollerblade wheel with a real ball bearing in the middle. So as you can see, if I spin this, it doesn't free spool. So the grease is kind of doing its job. So it's kind of like a dampening a little bit for me, until, probably, within a short amount of time, the grease will wear in, and then it'll be more and more easier to glide. And these will be a little bit more silent on the floor. So, when you roll any kind of chair on a hard surface, you can hear the wheels rubbing on and rolling on the floor here. So, I got these because, just in case, I go off the glass a little bit, because, every once in a while you're going to do it. You're going to go off the glass. So, these will further ensure that, you don't chip the glass. Just in case, something to be happen on the glass, and you run it over with the wheel, and it chips the glass. So to minimize that, I got these wheels, and they got a little bit of a give to it. Unlike your conventional hard plastic wheels. And maybe in time, as these wheels really break in, and I can pretty much grind these rivets out, and take these bearings out and pack them with more grease, and that'll make it more of a dampening, when it comes to that point. And then I'll just replace these rivets with a regular nut and bolt. So it's probably a standard size, so it's not really a big deal. And hopefully I don't have to do that, because, if you don't have to do something, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So, that's that for that. You get a set of 5 in a box, because most office chair wheels are come in a set of 5. And then a little card here that says thank you for your business, lifelong. And then on the back note, it's got a little, pre-printed love letter. It says, "Hi, thank you for your purchase. We are a small family business, so your product review would really mean the world to us. Sincerely yours, Amy." So, there's a lot of these little businesses out there that are on Amazon and eBay, trying to make a living and trying to make people's lives a little easier. So if you can spare the time to give them a review, yay or nay, they really appreciate it. And sometimes, and most likely with Amazon, if you got a problem with a product, they it don't take them much time to contact you and help you out. Even if it's if you need something like a replacement. So in the theme of getting accessories, when you buy products on Amazon, one of the accessories that came listed with the chair that I bought was these awesome office chair wheels that are that'll offer you less noise, smoother gliding, and maybe last a little longer. And for me, a little dampening power. But it came with the, you can either have the item that you want and then another item you want. But I also chose the third item in the package, and I got these armrest pads, to further make the chair armrest a little bit more comfy. So these are foam padded office armrest pads that you can just drape over the existing ones you got for to protect your new chair or freshen up your old chair if you desire. So we'll take one of these out of the package and take a little look at it, and it's it's a nice, fairly wide and long armrest pad, and basically all they do is just slip over the armrests of what you got within the size of the pad here, and gives you a little bit more padding, so you can stomp your elbow into the pad or rest your whole arm on there, and it's a nice little accessory to have. So these will be debuted on the office chair assembly video, if I don't already include it with the original video. And of course you get a set of two, because most chairs have two armrests. So that's that for this video. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.